Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey friends, welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Thursday here on the Ditch the Classroom podcast. So many of my students in the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy have been asking me, how should I price myself as a virtual assistant? This has been just a reoccurring theme so often in our student community that I felt it was really important to come here and share with you the same answer that I shared with them. So it's a bit of tough love for y'all today, but I know you need to hear it. I want you to stop stressing over your pricing and stop undercharging. I am actually kind of over hearing people say, quote unquote, charge what you're worth, because as women, we undervalue ourselves so often. So if you charge what you think you're worth, I can almost guarantee you're probably undercharging. I instead want you to think of it this way. Your clients are not hiring you based on your value. They're hiring you based on the transformation that they get in their business. Even if you offer quote-unquote beginner services, you're taking those tasks off of their plate, which allows them to focus on bigger projects and grow their business. Also, if a potential client tells you you're too expensive, do not take that to heart. They're probably not charging enough and they should be raising their prices before they consider outsourcing. So that is nothing on you. That is 100% on them. I want to challenge y'all to stop undercharging, and I have an exercise to help you put this into place. So, if you're already a virtual assistant, I want you to write down what you are currently charging. If you're not a virtual assistant yet, write down what you would like to charge. Okay, write that down. Now, add 10% to that. Okay, write that down. Add 10% again. Keep doing this until you get to a level that makes you want to puke. Once you get to that level, go down to the previous level. Bam. There's your new pricing. I'm serious, y'all. I want you to come and post in our free Facebook community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom, all one word. I want you to come in there and share what your new prices are because I want to hold you accountable. A lot of people will tell you if you're offering different services to go look at the pricing that people who offer those same services offer, but it's not necessarily a good idea because if they have issues with money or issues with their self-esteem or whatever, then you're taking on their issues because you're looking at their pricing and adapting yours around theirs. You don't want to do that. You do want to get a little bit of a understanding of what's being charged in the industry that you're in or in the type of service that you're offering as a virtual assistant. But I'm going to tell you there's such a huge range. You don't need to spend a ton of time on this. Seriously, just estimate how long it's going to take you and then keep adding that 10% until you want to puke and then go back down a level. Okay, this is probably my biggest secret to starting to charge what you're actually worth and not just what you think you're worth. and getting those clients that love and adore you and that respect and seriously are so excited to pay you. Okay, y'all. I love doing these episodes so much for y'all, so I would love it if you would come into our free Facebook community. Again, that's facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. Go to the Quick Tip Thursday posts, drop your question, and I would love, 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 love to answer it here on the show. All right, y'all, we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.